So this is my 15-week pregnancy belly with my shirt on from the side, from the front, and the other side. So this is my 15-week pregnancy belly with my shirt up from the side, from the front, and the other side. So this is my 16-week pregnancy belly with my shirt on from the side, from the front, and the other side. So this is my 16-week pregnancy belly with my shirt up from the side, from the front, and the other side. Hey guys, so today is Saturday. I am 17 weeks pregnant and we have a 3D ultrasound booked for today.
Ultrasound's all done, and here we have the gender. What do you think it is?
I don't know. To be honest, with Jacob and Isaac, I had a feeling it's a boy, but with this baby, I have no idea. What do you think?
Another boy? I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll find out.
Probably in a couple of weeks.
Or tonight when Felicia goes to sleep.
You have work.
Damn it.
I have time to hide the envelope. Really, Dash? Come on, Dash. Dash down. Go, this way. Up. Go.
Dash. Come.
Dash, this way. You'll be fine.
Come on, Dash.
What have we found? Hey, come on. So this is my 17-week pregnancy belly with my shirt on from the side, from the front, and the other side. So this is my 17-week pregnancy belly with my shirt up from the side, from the front, and the other side. Hey, what are you doing? Who's there? Is it a scary monster?
Yeah. I did monster.
Hey, you're not a monster.
It's monsters.
Where's the monsters?
Oh, here.
Oh, there's monsters over there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Monster bed.
Oh, monsters in bed.
Yeah. Do it in okay.
Who's there? Is it monsters? Hey, Zachy! You gonna come out now?
No. No store.
Are you gonna sleep there?
No store.
Where could Zachy be hiding? I better check in this cupboard. Is Zachy in here?
No.
Hey!
No store.
Oh no! Where's Isaac? Hey!
No store.
Here is your Valentine's steak. Your Valentine's steak. Your Valentine's steak. And here's your one, Missy. Hey guys, so today is Valentine's Day and Matthew has sent me a special delivery. So we're gonna open it up and find out what he sent me. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it up and see what's inside it. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Look how pretty it is.
I know.
And what's inside this little thing? Oh, look how beautiful it is.
And it even like has a little rose, like a real rose.
It's beautiful.
Hey guys, today is my cousin's birthday party and we're gonna go to a water place. Bye!
Careful.
Oh no, water!
Good old that the boys skating and everything.
Oh no.
What the hell is this?
So this is my 18-week pregnancy belly with my shirt on from the side, from the front, and the other side. So this is my 18-week pregnancy belly with my shirt up from the side, from the front, and the other side. Dash.
Why Dash? Dash, come on.
Hey, mister. Matthew's legging it. Dash. That's it, you don't live here. He legged it to the neighbour's house. He was trying to get past to run down there. You can't trust him, alright? Go.
You can, he's just exploring.
Come on, Melina. Melina. Come on, lady. So this is my 19-week pregnancy belly with my shirt on from the side, from the front, and the other side. So this is my 19-week pregnancy belly with my shirt up from the side, from the front, and the other side. Malena! Come on. What are you doing? Come on, Lanes, what are you doing? Hey guys, so today is Friday the 1st of March. I am 19 weeks and 6 days pregnant and I have my first antenatal clinic appointment. That's my juice. Whose juice is it? That's mine. I'm gonna drink it.
Mine. How's dry? How's dry? How's dry? How's dry?
Oh no.
This house full?
Oh, house full. Hey guys, so I'm back home after my first antenatal clinic appointment. Everything went well. Most of it was just filling in the paperwork with the midwife. I also got to hear the baby's heartbeat, and the heart rate was about 140 beats per minute. She also checked my blood pressure. It was about 104/72, so I'm really happy with that. And so far in my pregnancy, I have only gained about 1.3 kilograms, so that's not too much. I hope I don't gain too much weight. In my last pregnancy with Isaac, I only gained about 6.5 kilos, and then I lost half a kilo towards the end of my pregnancy. And with Jacob, I gained about 10 to 11 kilos. So I hope this pregnancy I don't gain much more than that at all. So that's my aim, is no more than 10 kilos. So hopefully I can stick to that. What else? So my next antenatal clinic appointment's on the 12th of April at 10:30, and I also have to do my glucose tolerance test that day. I'm not looking forward to that because I really hate that test, but anyways. And I think that was it. Oh, and they checked the fundal height, which was 19 centimeters. So anyways, I better get inside. Isaac's asleep. So later on, in about half an hour to an hour's time, I've got to pick up Jacob from school, and then we're going to my 18 to 22 week ultrasound, the morphology scan. So I'll get to see the baby as well today. So today's going to be such an exciting day.
Hey guys, today we're going to my mom's ultrasound. Bye. Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at some bunk beds for me and Isaac. And we might get some bunk beds that it's 2 separate ones. And if I want to move to a different room, I can move to a different room because they're both separate beds. Bye.
Oh, Melina! Come on, lady. Lady! Dash! So this is my 20-week pregnancy belly with my shirt on from the side, from the front, and the other side. So this is my 20-week pregnancy belly with my shirt up from the side, from the front, and the other side. Hey guys, so Isaac and I are back home in my new rental car. So I had to drop off my car for some repairs. So today is Wednesday and last Friday night I got into a car accident. Not my fault. I was waiting at a roundabout to turn left because there was oncoming traffic and the car behind me just smashed into the back of my car. He was probably driving about 30 to 40 k's per hour when he hit my car. He said he had such a delayed reaction. He doesn't know why, but I have a feeling he was probably on his phone. He was really young. He only just turned 20 like last week according to his license. So I have a feeling he was probably distracted by his phone or something when he hit the back of my car. Jacob and Isaac were both in the car, so I was really worried. Jacob smashed his head back onto his seat, but he's okay. And my lower back really hurts from the car accident, plus my wrist. But apart from that, Isaac is also okay. We're all fine. So the damage to my car, he smashed into the bumper bar, so he's cracked it, so that needs to be replaced. Also my back sensors, one of them was hanging out and I don't know if my sensors are working because anytime I've been quite close I haven't really heard it beep. So I don't know if it's just one of them not working or all four of them are not working, and I don't know if there's any damage underneath the bumper bar or underneath where he's hit. And to his car, it looked like he had more damage than I did because he hit, when he hit the back of my car, I've actually got a tow bar. So he's kind of put a whole big huge dent into his car. I'll insert some photos of his car and my car, the damage to it. So I dropped off my car for repairs today because I had to call my insurance. He contacted his insurance on Saturday and half the time he's not responding to my messages. Over the last 5 days or so, all I've gotten is about 2 or 3 messages from him. He never answers my calls and he doesn't even call me back, and when he does respond by a message, it's only, he'll give me some sort of excuse like, oh, I was asleep and I just woke up, or I'm sorry, I'm busy at work. And then half the time when I'm waiting for information like from his insurance, like the claim number and everything, he won't even give it to me till like a day or so later. So I ended up calling my insurance and they said that possibly he hasn't paid his excess, and until he pays his excess, his insurance won't fix my car. So lucky I claimed it through my insurance, so I'm very happy that I do have car insurance. So they sent me today, well I could have got it fixed yesterday, but I did have work, so I never went yesterday, so I dropped it off today. They said most likely my car should be fixed by Friday. Anyways, I better get inside. Isaac's really hungry, he wants to have some lunch, so I will talk to you later. We go drop off the rental car, we go taxi, and then go pick up Mama Blue car.
No taxi.
What do you mean no taxi?
No taxi.
You can't go taxi. Yes you can.